Welcome to DiscountFilters.com. Today we'll be going over how to change a 5231JA2006A style water filter. The 006A style filter fits in multiple styles of refrigerators. The filter can be located on either the right or left side of the refrigerator depending on the model. There are two types of filter housings. Type 1, push to seal. After locating the filter, grip the back of the filter and turn counterclockwise for 1/4 turn. Gently pull backwards to remove the filter from the housing. To install a new filter, simply reverse the process. Type 2, drop lid. After locating your filter, release the catch on the filter housing and lower the lid. Grip the end of the filter and turn counterclockwise for 1/4 turn. To install a new filter, simply reverse the process. Insert filter and turn clockwise 1/4 turn. Close the lid. After replacing the filter, flush approximately 2 gallons of water through the filter before using.